If you're getting the Microsoft Office error code 0x0 on your Mac, with a message saying an unknown error has occurred in Word, Excel, or another Office application, then don't worry. In this video, I'll show you a couple of things you can try to fix this problem. Make sure you follow the instructions carefully, and let's get started. First, save all of your work and completely close every Microsoft Office application that's currently running. Now open Finder and go to Applications. Find the Microsoft Office application that's giving you the problem, such as Word or Excel. Right-click on the application and select Move to Bin. If you're removing Office completely, remove the other Microsoft Office applications as well. After removing the applications, empty the bin and restart your Mac. Before reinstalling Office, make sure you know the Microsoft account email address and password that you use to activate your Office license. Now open your browser and go to the official Microsoft account website. Sign in with the Microsoft account connected to your Office license. Go to your subscriptions and select the option to install Office. Download the Office installer and install Microsoft Office again. Once the installation is finished, open Word or Excel and sign in using the same Microsoft account to activate Office. Now check if the 0x0 unknown error has been resolved. Hopefully, one of these methods helped you fix the Microsoft Office error code